Okay, there are a few things you need to know about reaction 2 and reaction 3. You never seen this in class. Okay, so let's talk about it real quick. All right, start with the reaction 2. So I would like to talk about this guy, dimethyl dioxirane, or DMDO. That's a short. Okay, so DMDO is a non-metal organic oxidant, just like MCPPA. Look like that, right? It's an alternative of an MCPPA, right? But very, very applicable. Used in many to transform in many functional groups. Let's take a look. Some example. You can put the DMDO on an amine, you get a nitro group. Just add oxygen into it. That's a mechanism after that, but we're not talking about that right now. Okay. If you add on an alkane, you get an alcohol. If you add DMDO on a sulfide, okay, you get the sulfoxide and sulfone. And in this lab, you're gonna add this guy onto an alkene. What do you get? Well, that's your job to figure it out. Okay. Um, Now, to make DMDO, okay, we're gonna make DMDO just from acetone, very cheap solvent, okay, but better grade than the one you use for washing, all right? Add sodium bicarbonate in water and oxone, so potassium hydrogen sulfite, okay, we call oxone. Oxone is a bunch of some other stuff, but anyway, add these two together, you get DMDO, right? So basically, the reaction that you're gonna do, so you add all this together, and then hydrochloric acid, that's a hydrolysis step, right? Basically, look at the first step. Add this together, the reactive reagent, the actual reagent is actually the DMDO. That's the active compound, right? And what you get, what you have to determine using TLC. Yep, that's pretty much it. You need to know. Okay. All right. One thing you need to know about DMDO. So look at the structure of DMDO. You probably learned that in the cyclohexane chapter, right? What do you know about three-membered ring? Well, real highly unstable, high angle strain, high torsional strain. It's about to burst. The ring about to burst. Okay. So that's why DMDO is reactive, and you have to make it fresh in the solution and use it right away. Okay. All right. That's DMDO. All right. Talk about reaction number 3 one more time. All right, go to the next video.